This recycled rubber ramp can be used to help a client get in and out of their home using a walker and a wheelchair. It comes with the instruction manual right on top in the box, which shows how to use it. It has a non slip bottom and weighs about 50 pounds to help prevent it from moving. It also has two grooves in there as well that you can put screws in to securely adhere it if you'd like. We chose not to do that and just to use it by itself. Here you'll see that the wheelchair will go down the ramp very easily. This is the 4-inch model, and you need to be mindful of the height of the door. In this version here, we needed to modify the glass door, so we took it off the hinges so that way we could use the ramp here. Either push someone in a wheelchair or you can ride up and down it, and it does a really great job of smoothly transitioning. I also like the fact that there were two orange arrows on there that help illuminate the ramp, so that way if it's at night, it kind of stands out more being a bright color. So I really like this device, and I hope you guys take a look at it.